Did you know that the average American household spends over $50,000 a year on living expenses alone? Imagine being able to save half of that amount every year, boosting your savings and inching closer to financial freedom. In today's video, we'll be exploring the secrets to slashing your monthly bills in half without sacrificing your lifestyle. It's not a pipe dream. With some simple changes, you can achieve financial freedom and start living the life you deserve. But how exactly do you do it? Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Reduce insurance premiums. By evaluating your current insurance needs, you might discover that you're overinsured or paying for unnecessary features. It's important to periodically reassess your insurance policies, as your circumstances may have changed since you first purchased them. For example, if your car has depreciated in value or you've paid off your mortgage, you may be able to adjust your coverage and save money in the process. When shopping around for better deals, be sure to inquire about potential discounts. Many insurance companies offer discounts for bundling multiple policies, such as home and auto, or for being a long-term customer. Additionally, there might be savings for maintaining a good driving record, installing a security system in your home, or even being a member of a particular organization. Another way to reduce your insurance premiums is by increasing your deductible. This is the amount you're responsible for paying out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. By opting for a higher deductible, you'll lower your monthly premiums. But keep in mind that you'll need to have the funds available in case of a claim. To strike the right balance, consider setting aside the difference in premiums as part of your emergency fund. It's also crucial to maintain a solid credit score. Many insurance companies factor in credit scores when determining premiums, so having good credit can lead to lower rates. Focus on paying bills on time, reducing debt, and regularly checking your credit report for inaccuracies. Number 9. Debt consolidation. Many people are burdened with credit card debt and high-interest loans, which can be challenging to manage. Nevertheless, debt consolidation is an option that can help you pay off your debt and slash your monthly expenditures in half. This is combining all your debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. Lowering the monthly interest payments can help you save money over time. You can streamline your finances and make it simpler to manage your debt by having just one monthly payment. There are various options for debt consolidation, including getting a personal loan or utilizing a credit card with a balance transfer feature. Nonetheless, picking the best solution for your circumstances and confirming that you can pay the monthly bill installments is key. Although debt consolidation may be a fantastic choice for some, it's vital to remember that it is not a guaranteed fix. While paying off the consolidated loan, you must exercise financial restraint and prevent adding to your debt load. Number 8. Use energy-efficient appliances and practices. One of the most efficient ways to cut your monthly bills in half is to switch to energy-efficient appliances and adopt an energy-saving practice. You can significantly reduce your electricity costs by choosing Energy Star-rated appliances and LED light bulbs. Simple actions like unplugging electronics, caulking gaps around the windows and doors, and turning off lights when not in use can also help save money on heating and cooling. Also, think about utilizing a programmable thermostat to control the temperature more effectively in your home. And don't forget to have your heating and cooling system serviced on a regular basis. Let's be honest, by putting these energy-saving strategies into practice, you'll not only save money, but help to create a more sustainable environment. Number 7. Take advantage of free or low-cost entertainment options. There are several cheap or free alternatives to entertainment costs that can help you save money while still having a good time. Entertainment costs can add up rapidly. For instance, arrange a movie night at home with friends or family instead of traveling to the cinema. Search for free community events such as concerts, exhibitions, and seminars. By accessing free internet resources or renting media from your local library, you can also avoid paying for membership services. Enjoy the outdoors by going to parks, beaches, or hiking trails. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, think about purchasing a yearly national or state park pass. You can lower your monthly spending without giving up your hobbies or social life by looking for low-cost entertainment options. Number 6. Track your spending. If you know where your money goes, you could spot areas where you could be overspending and find ways to make cuts. It all starts with using a budgeting tool or software, one approach to keeping track of your spending. This helps you categorize your spending and determine where your monthly income is going. The amount you spend on items like eating out or subscription services may surprise you. Another approach is to manually keep track of your spending in a simple spreadsheet or notebook. This may take longer, but it keeps you more conscious of purchasing patterns. After tracking your expenditures for a few months, it's time to review the information and identify areas where you can save. You can cut back on your dining out expenses, stop paying for a membership that you don't use, or switch to a more affordable cell phone plan. Number 5. Shop at a cheaper grocery store. Switching to a less expensive grocery store can drastically reduce monthly expenses and help you become financially independent. Many grocery stores offer the same products but at a vastly different price. By shopping at a cheaper grocery store, you can get the exact items you need for a fraction of the cost. This can add up to significant savings over time. But how can you tell which supermarket is the least expensive? Online research and price comparison at many local retailers. Consider purchasing items from basic retailers or generic brands rather than name brands. You can also make a grocery list and plan your meals before you go shopping. By doing so, you can stay within your spending limit and avoid unnecessary purchases. And remember to shop during sales and use coupons whenever you can. Number 4. Refinance your mortgage. You can benefit from decreased interest rates by refinancing your mortgage, ultimately lowering your monthly mortgage payment. Consider having a $300,000 mortgage with a 4% interest rate. You can reduce your monthly mortgage payments by nearly $100 by refinancing your mortgage to a 3% lower interest rate. That is almost $1,200 a year. Think of the things you could buy for an extra $1,200. Yet, there's still more. You can accelerate the repayment of your mortgage by refinancing. You can pay off your mortgage faster and avoid paying thousands of dollars if interest by refinancing to shorter-term loans, such as switching from a 30-year loan to a 15-year loan. It's simpler than you would imagine. Modern technology allows you to apply online for mortgage refinance and receive an immediate decision. However, you can save even more money by refinancing because most lenders charge little to no closing expenses. So consider refinancing your mortgage to half your monthly expenses and gain financial freedom. It's a wise financial decision that might help you save thousands of dollars and get you one step closer to your financial goals. Number 3. Give homemade gifts. Many money-saving methods and techniques are available, but the value of handcrafted presents is something disregarded. Giving someone a present doesn't have to be expensive to be a kind gesture. Making presents allows you to be thoughtful and personalize gifts while saving money. Giving gifts to family and friends during the holidays or other special events can be one of the most expensive expenses. You can considerably reduce the cost by making the gifts. There are many simple and cheap DIY gift ideas available that everyone can try, so you don't need to be a creative genius. You can take your time and make a meaningful gift rather than scrambling to find the ideal one. Also, the receiver will undoubtedly value your work. Yet, handicraft presents aren't just for celebrations or holidays. You can create homemade gifts for regular events like birthdays and thank you notes. You can express your gratitude this way without spending a lot of money. You might be shocked by how much happiness and significance can come from easy, homemade gifts. Number 2. Shop secondhand. Buying secondhand can be a terrific way to cut costs without compromising quality, whether shopping for clothes, furniture, electronics, or even cars. First and foremost, buying used items results in lower costs. The cost of used goods is frequently much lower than new ones and are frequently in excellent condition. This is particularly true for expensive products like vehicles, whose value can swiftly decline. You can escape the early depreciation hit and get more for your money by purchasing used. Shopping secondhand also offers the excitement of the quest. You never know what treasures you might discover with garage sales, thrift shops, and online marketplaces. Finding unusual and exciting items you wouldn't find in a conventional retail setting can be entertaining and thrilling. Of course, there are some considerations to make when buying secondhand. It's crucial to inspect products thoroughly before purchasing to ensure they're in good shape and in working order. Also, you should confirm that the vendor is credible and that the item is appropriately priced before purchasing. Number 1. Review subscriptions. In recent years, subscription services have grown in popularity and now provide everything from meal kit delivery to TV show streaming. Although these services may be helpful and fun, their costs can add up rapidly and significantly reduce your budget. It's crucial to frequently examine your subscriptions to ensure you're only paying for services you use and utilize. Make a list of all the subscription services you're currently paying for by looking at your bank statements or credit card bills. Then, pose some critical queries to yourself. Do you use each service frequently enough to warrant the price? Are there any services that are duplicates or similar that you could combine? Do any free substitutes exist that are just as effective? Now make decisions. You should cancel if you don't use a subscription frequently enough or don't need it. See if there are any opportunities to switch to a less expensive plan or bargain for a lower price for the ones you wish to keep. Reviewing your subscriptions will allow you to save hundreds of dollars annually. The best thing, though, you'll be more deliberate and cautious with your spending, which is all you're giving up. Undoubtedly, some subscriptions are both worthwhile and beneficial. You may adore your gym membership or find daily satisfaction in your streaming subscription. That's all right. It's unnecessary to cancel all your subscriptions at this stage. Instead, you should choose carefully which ones to keep. And that's a wrap. What other steps can you take to increase your income or further reduce your expenses? Challenge yourself to find new ways to save and invest wisely. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.